Was talking to Diego about his project, and I just wanted to do this quick demo about using styles. He had built all of this out of separate boxes that were then sort of carefully aligned. What I've done is I've built all this type in a single box. So I've got this information on this line in this font. I've got this information on that line in that font. I've got some body copy in Minion Pro. I can take this text here and add a little bit more space above, right down, right. I find it's better to use picas just because it's a smaller unit of measure. And so I can be more refined in what I'm doing. So I can add a little bit more space in there. Preview. Okay, so it currently looks about like that. So first thing I do, since I have one of these, and I've built this one, and this is a tab there to push that type over to the back. Shift Command T. You'll see that there is a right-hand tab right there. Push that over towards the end of my box. Okay. Now, close window. All right. Next, I'm going to go to Window, Styles, Paragraph Styles, like that. Oops, I thought I deleted those. Excuse me a second while I delete some things. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this type, put my cursor in this type, and I go to the paragraph styles, and I'm going to create a new paragraph style. And that's actually not how I'm going to do it. Put the cursor in there. I come up to the top, new paragraph style. I don't know that it works any differently, but it always gives me the option of style name. And so I'm going to type date because it's good if your style says something about what it is that you're styling, because you could end up having 20 or 30 or 100 different styles. And if you don't name them so that you understand them, they're going to bite you later. Okay, so date. Then I'm going to go to the name, new paragraph style. Notice that I'm basing these on no paragraph style because they don't really have any common attributes. So I'm going to call this name, click OK, and then new paragraph style body. What you also want to do is remember to check apply style to selection. I haven't been doing that. Click OK. So now I need to go back, click on the date, click on that and click on name. There's body. I'm going to actually set them up in the order that I'm likely to click them. Okay, next. I want this to be different. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to change the font. Okay, so Myriad, Pro Black. Oh, what the heck? I'll make it semi-extended. Don't know why. Make it a little smaller. Make it magenta. Okay. This style is inconsistent with September 28th, which is the paragraph style. And notice that under date, I've got a little plus sign at the end. So what I need to do with this is select this text or just put my cursor in it. And I'm going to go to character styles and I'm going to create a new character style. And that is going to be time based on nothing. Click OK. And I want to now select the whole thing and click time. Okay. Next, I'm going to select both of these, drag them down, have a copy. This is October. This is, I'm going to make this up because I don't have that text in front of me. Um, and that's 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. I wish they hadn't done that. 7:30 p.m. And maybe that's okay. Um, November 21. And I could paste the new copy in here right on top of this and then hit the style. And in fact, let's add some more copy there. Go with placeholder text. That's a little different. Okay. Okay. And okay. So I've got all my information. It's all styled. Very quick and easy. If I want to space this all out, I can use my alignment and then group it, alignment and group, align and group. Align and group. And then I could select all of these and go to distribute spacing vertically, and then they'll all be nicely distributed. Notice how I don't have enough space, but this is actually not the right size anyway. Okay, then I can decide that I don't like something. So I can go to my character styles, and I can go to time, double click on that, character color, blue, preview, basic character formats. Can go to Noto Sans, Avastan. No, I don't want that. It's useless. I wish I could just delete those out of my Rockwell standard. Make it bigger, make it smaller, and they all get changed all at the same time. I could even advanced character baseline shift 3 point. Click OK. I could go to this style, paragraph style, decide that I want that to be in magenta. And you can see how quickly I can change all of that. And so we use paragraph styles for the main style. And then if we have some small section of the copy, for instance, this time, then we can go to character styles to make changes within the paragraph. And if we wanted to say bold a couple of words here, we could create a character style, new character style, bold. And I'll call it bold. And we haven't specified the family. We haven't specified the size. It should just change it to bold if there's a bold style available for that font. And I don't think there we go. So bold, bold, bold. Okay. And if we go to preview, it looks like that. And if we decide we wanted to change that from bold to italic, we can double click here, italic, character, italic. Okay. And so now that changed to italic super simply. And I could go to character color and change it to red and okay. And then it's red. So the way I do styles is I'll usually format the text first, and then I'll go back and create the styles. And then it allows you to make the styles really quickly and easily.